Hello, this is my CS206 final project. And in this project, I'm going to be evolving two robots to walk along a narrow path. The first one is a short-legged robot, and the second one is a long, lower-legged robot. Basically, the question I'm trying to answer here is, will the quadruped evolve to move further along the platform with short legs or long legs? So first we're going to talk about the implementation. After I created the matrices to contain the fitness values, I sent a string, either A or B, to evaluate in Parallel Hill Climber. And from there, I sent it to solution through start simulation. And in start simulation, I created a class variable called test, which is then used in if statements in create world and create body. So if it's the A test, you'll use the short-legged robot, and if it's the B test, you make the longer-legged robot. So here's some results. First you'll see the short-legged robot not evolved. And it's kind of glitchy, but he just gets stuck right there. And here's the longer-legged robot, also not evolved yet. He's a little dramatic. He falls off the edge pretty much immediately. Here's a short-legged robot evolved for 10 generations, population size of 10. Once again, my recording equipment's kind of glitchy, but you can see here he kind of inches along, barely moving his legs. Kind of an interesting gait. The longer-legged robot, on the other hand, has a very pronounced walking style. And he moves maybe a little bit faster than the short-legged robot, but I can't really tell. Problem is, the longer-legged robot is much more prone to falling off the edge, as you'll see here. So next up is the graph of the final mean values of all the fitnesses. And because the two curves are very similar, it leads me to believe that having longer legs does not help the robot move further along the platform versus having shorter legs, which they move about the same distance, but the shorter leg robot is more likely to stay on the platform the entire time. Thank you for listening.